Hi, welcome to our channel. Are you curious to make your own animation videos but find it complicated and time-consuming? Or perhaps you're camera shy or lack editing skills? Well, I have good news for you. You can easily convert a simple sentence or even a complete script into an eye-catching animation video. Yes, it's true. In this video, I will show you how to create an animation video from scratch, and the best part is that you can do it for free. To begin, we will follow 2 steps. The first step is to generate the script. We will use a fantastic tool called Gravity Write, which helps generate high-quality, unique, and creative content. To start, create an account on Gravity Write by clicking the link below this video. Then, click on Start Writing for free and enter your details to create an account. Once you have created your account, you can proceed to generate the script. For example, let's say you want to create an animation video to promote your products or services. In Gravity Write, click on the YouTube option and then choose the Explainer Video Script category. Enter the necessary details and generate the script. If you're planning to create an animation video for your YouTube channel, click on Whiteboard Script Creator and enter your video title, a description of what your audience is looking for, and the points you want to cover in the video. After entering the details, click on Create Content to generate the script. Now, let's move on to the second step, which is to convert the script into an animation video. We will use a tool called Steve.ai for this purpose. To begin, create an account on Steve.ai by clicking the link below this video and signing up with Google. Once you have created your account, you will be taken to the Steve.ai dashboard. In the dashboard, choose the option to convert your script into an animation video. Paste the script you generated from Gravity Write into the designated area. Next, enter the type of video you want and select a design for your video. Preview the available designs and choose the one you like. Now, you can edit the video by changing the layout of the scenes, the characters, and their actions. You can also add a voiceover to your animation. Steve.ai offers options to add an AI voice or record your own voice. Choose the desired voice and generate it. To enhance your video further, you can add music. Steve.ai provides a variety of music options to choose from. Preview the music and select the one that suits your video. Once you are satisfied with the video, it's time to download it. Click on Publish and then Download. Your animation video will be exported and ready for download. Simply click on Download to save it to your computer. Congratulations! You have successfully created an animation video from your generated script. By using Gravity Write to generate unique scripts and Steve.ai to convert them into animation videos, you can easily create engaging content. Please note that the free version of Steve.ai allows you to create and download up to 3 videos per month. If you require more, you can upgrade your account. In addition to script-to-video conversion, I have a bonus tip for you. You can create an animated character with your own voice using Adobe Express. Visit the Adobe Express website by clicking the link below this video and select the Make Animation option. Choose an animated character, add a background image, and select the size of your video. Then, add your own voice by either recording it live or uploading an audio file. Once you're satisfied, you can download your animated character with your voice. Now that you have learned how to convert scripts into animation videos and create animated characters with your own voice. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed its content, we would greatly appreciate your support. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative and engaging videos like this. Thank you.